you very much. How are you? Here today to conduct a valve block service and an oil change. It was brought up last time on site to do a service. With a valve block, generally the down valve that is the cause of the leak. So when we do the seal kit, Blaine are very good. They give you a diagram and they say what to do first, and it's always the down valve. So you'll change the seals on the down valve, refit the down valve, and then test your pressures, and generally 9 times out of 10 that will fix your issue. But if not, then you have to go further into the valve block, change other seals until the valve block's holding pressure. We'll see how we go. There should always be a length on the ram when it's at bottom floor level. So what we're going to do now is adjust this to bring the ram all the way and push all the oil back into the tank, so we get rid of as much of the old oil as possible.
65 bar.
Valve block has an internal leak and the oil hasn't been changed for several years. So when they haven't been cleaned for a long time, they get very grotty. Cleaning them down takes an awfully long time with degreasing. Probably the worst job. To spec, new alarm, power pack so it works with the power switched off, new sounder. The car door skins were damaged on the car doors, so we've taken those off and refixed those down as the customer wanted, because obviously replacing car doors is quite expensive. So we've done that, and yeah, just bring the lift up to spec now and hopefully run fine and no issues. So there we go. Issues with the oil getting too hot and then it goes too thin, and then we have levelling issues. Paul has done actually quite a bit of research into hydraulic oil, and he's found some oils now that work a lot better in higher temperatures. They've got a lot less wax content, so if we're having constant issues with levelling and things like that due to heat, we recommend an oil change then to a different type of oil. Obviously oil coolers and things like that can be fitted. Generally just on your services you should be checking the condition of the oil as soon as it starts to get dirty, grimy, especially if you have like a ram seal leaking and the overflows back into the tank. It's just constantly contaminating the oil. That's one thing we recommend definitely to change, and then change the way the overflow's working. Every lift's got a log card. I've seen that an oil change hasn't been conducted in a long time. Definitely worth recommending one. Just keeps the lift in good condition. So I recommend it to the customer for a service and an oil change. Just get a bit of tension on those ropes, bud, and I'll get you to check and make sure they're all on the right grooves, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sound, mate.
Yeah, all good.
Yeah, all good.
Happy days. We changed the hydraulic oil, put fresh new oil in and filled it up to the correct level. Conducted a valve block service, so changed seals and everything to stop an internal leak. Valve block's now holding pressure. Lifts back into happy days.